So a pretty special video today then. I have my BMW 130i, which I've owned for 2 or 3 years now, and I've never really put it through its paces. Obviously you are pretty restricted when it comes to on-road use anyway, but I've actually brought it today to none other than the Nurburgring. So we are going to take it for a lap around the Nordschleife. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, I've already taken this for a lap, but that was yesterday, and let's just say weather conditions were less than desirable. It was a bit wet, shall we say, so of course I didn't really give it any. I didn't really get to see what this car is all about on track, but things have today cleared up quite nicely. Hopefully there's no wet spots that kind of want to catch me out, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I've done everything that I can do in terms of checks to the car. I think it's okay. I know we need to do a whole bunch of work to it, preventative maintenance wise, but hopefully the car gets through a pretty, you know, well taken lap, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, so I think this is like my 3rd or 4th time ever going around this. Still nervous, it still doesn't change the feeling that you get. Well, here goes. Let's have some fun. Bear in mind I probably won't be talking much, concentrating and all. Need to make sure to use the whole rev range. Probably shouldn't have went into 6th gear then. Overtake, back on it. squealing a little bit. Speed. Definitely a brown trousers moment there. Brakes are fading a little bit. Let's let them cool off a bit. Letting the brakes cool off a bit, not going to push it. Oh, cack. Overtake. Brakes are coming back a little bit, but still sketchy. Yeah, definitely are coming back a little bit. Into carousel. Screw a little speed off. Brunchen coming off, I think. There it is. I do not want to be on a Nurburgring compilation fail compilation, should I say. Porsche as you come through. You show me how it's done. Carousel. Yeah, brakes fading a little bit more now. It's the last corner. My gear knob just came off. Oh, I didn't like that. I did not like that. Oh, last corner. Go to change from third to fourth and my gear knob just fell off. Oh, I thought the gearbox just blew up or something. That was not fun. The lap was very, very fun, but oh, my shorts are definitely got to be brown now. Oh. Well, successful lap, I think. We completed it. Well, we are very near on completion. Brakes felt a little bit iffy. They held up well enough, but I think an upgrade of some kind would definitely not go amiss. But let's gather our thoughts and let's wrap things up. Oh, that was stressful. The ending of that lap did not go as I planned. Everything is all right. I think everything's all right. I don't think the gearbox did blow up, but yeah, a very much a brown trousers moment. I don't know why that happened. I don't know why the gear knob came up in my hands. He's never done that before, but I guess it's something to look out for now. Of course, I was shifting very hard at some points in that lap, but yeah, like I said, I had fun. It was a great success, and I could not wait to do it again. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing any more laps today or on this trip. We have a whole bunch of other places to go to, but yeah, I wanted to stop off at the Nurburgring and yeah, like I said, see what this thing could do, see what it's all about. And yes, I know there are a few weak points that I need to concentrate on now. Brakes, they could do with upgrading, let's be honest. They could do with a bigger brake setup. And then of course, like I said, preventative maintenance work, suspension components and all that good stuff. But yeah, it performed well under, okay circumstances, I guess. But yeah, had so much fun. If you have not already came to the Nurburgring before and you haven't driven on the Nordschleife, what the hell are you waiting for? It's one of the best things you can do if you are into your cars, if you like driving fast. Don't do that on the road. Just bring your car to a place like this and put your car through its paces. Anyway guys, hopefully you all have enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in the next one.